I doubt that you will come out of depression by taking medicines. And I can understand that medicines are taking a toll on your life, whether you realize it or not. You may not be feeling your own authentic self. Perhaps you are feeling dull physically and mentally, but doesn't matter. All this is a thing of the past. Now we have come with a treatment that is going to liberate you from the shackles of medicine. You don't have to be imprisoned in this. But the only thing important is to practice. Practice what all we have given as treatment in our How to Overcome Depression Without Medicine kit. It is very user-friendly. You can download it on your mobile and you can go through the steps. You can also watch our videos on the Yaha channel. You can also attend our campinars. And I tell you that now is the time that you must help yourself. Now is the time that you do not have to be dependent on medicines. Now is the time to completely relax and follow the guidelines. Why am I telling you all this? Because many people have used the kit. Hundreds have used the kit and they have benefited. At this moment, they are all smiling because they threw away all the medicines in the dustbin. But I must tell you as a caution, do not throw away your medicines immediately. Start downloading the kit and start practicing. And gradually, with consultation from your doctor, you can reduce your medicine and at one point of time, leave it completely.